Welcome to my channel, English and Hebrew with Val. It's grammar time. Our topic is so many. Go. Let's look at ingredients of healthy pizza. There is an onion on my healthy pizza. There are some olives on my healthy pizza. There isn't any cheese on my healthy pizza. There is a tomato on my healthy pizza. There is some olive oil on my healthy pizza. Healthy pizza. Look at my healthy breakfasts. Is there an omelet on the table? Yes, it's healthy. Are there any vegetables on the table? Yes, it's healthy. Is there a cucumber on the table? Yes, it's healthy. Is there any tea on the table? Yes, it's healthy. Is there a burger on the table? No, it's unhealthy. Is there any cola on the table? No, it's unhealthy. Healthy breakfasts? Let's go shopping. Can you get some honey? Can you get a watermelon? Can you get an apple? Can you get some lemons? So, let's write down the rule. Countable nouns are the nouns which we can count. If we speak about the nouns in singular, we use a or an in positive sentences. For example, there is an apple. If we speak about negative sentences, we use the same a or an for singular nouns. For example, there isn't an apple. In questions, we use a or an for singular nouns. For example, is there an apple? If we speak about countable nouns in the plural, we use some in positive sentences. For example, there are some apples. In negative sentences, we use any instead of some in the plural. For example, there aren't any apples. In questions, we use any with the countable nouns in the plural. For example, are there any apples? Uncountable nouns are the nouns which we can't uncount. It's about food, liquid, materials, abstract things. In positive sentences, we use some with uncountable nouns. For example, there is some water. In negative sentences, we use any instead of some with uncountable nouns. For example, there isn't any water. In questions, we use any with uncountable nouns. For example, is there any water? There is one secret. We can use some in questions to make offers or requests. Would you like some? It's an offer. Can I have some? It's a request. Or can you get some? For example, would you like some coffee? Or can I have some apples? Or can you get some water? Please do some practice. Below this video, you can do some tests. You can also watch some videos and sing a song.
What do you want for lunch today? What do you want to eat? What do you want for lunch today? Vegetables, fish, or meat?
Can I have a steak, please? I really want some meat with some butter, rice, and corn. It's my favorite thing to eat.
What do you want for lunch today? What do you want to eat? What do you want for lunch today? Vegetables, fish, or meat?
Can I have some tuna? I really want some fish with some pasta and some lettuce. It's a really yummy dish.
What do you want for lunch today? What do you want to eat? What do you want for lunch today? Vegetables, fish, or meat?
Bye-bye.